Yo, it's Bread Z here, and this is Epic Lightning Storms version 4. Let's go. Yeah, I just graduated today, actually. I am no longer in high school. Yeah, and because of the rain, they had to make our graduation ceremony earlier. Instead of 8 p.m., it was 5. So, yeah, we almost died of heat exhaustion. That was fun. I love the lightning also, which is why I'm making this video. Haha. This is pretty bad quality. Let me see if there's somewhere better. Whoa, this is way better. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, whoa, that was cool. Nice. Well, see you, YouTube. I'm ready to die. Yeah.